You know, puppies can only have people food if they got cold. You got a cold? You got a cold? Oh, you don't got a cold, you can't have people food. Only have people food if you got a cold. No, you're not sneezing or coughing or nothing. Oh, you got a cold, huh? There you go.